Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2010 Infiniti G37. I'm just gonna show you a quick video of how to replace the spark plug for this car. So it's not detailed, but I just wanna give you the trick or the points that you need to do in order to get this job quick and faster. So on this passenger side, I already removed some of the parts. This is actually modified, so probably on those original parts it won't be look like this, but basically just remove this. Says, by the way, this is the ignition coil. So there's the spark plug underneath the ignition coil, and you have to remove this throttle body. So it's Allen bolt. We're using, I think this is number, what's number is this, 5? Okay, it's number 5. So Allen socket number 5 or Allen case, you can use that, and then just disconnect the connection, and then we can remove now the 3 ignition coil, so we can get the 3 spark plug. So again, remove this, and also this, it's connected in here. You have to remove this one, it was in here. It's number 10, so you can move like that. Move this away and put this over here. You need to disconnect the fastener. It was connected in here, and just move it aside, and you've got plenty of room. Now we can remove this 3 ignition coil, which I'm going to do it right now. Alright, I guess let's start with this one. Oh, I can do everything, 3 of them at the same time. Alright, so now let's remove the ignition coil. Oh, whoa, look at this. It didn't. There's also a tube in there. Uh-oh, same thing. Oh boy. Wow, 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 wow. Alright, let's put it back. Let's wiggle it. Uh-oh. What's going on? Can I... Use this. Let's see. Hopefully it will not rip off. Come on. Uh-oh. Whoa. Never expected that. Wow. Oh, 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 I'm not gonna, holy crap. Ay, ay, ay. Whew. Oh, same thing with this. What's wrong? Really? It's stuck in there. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, one sec. Alright, so if the things happen, don't panic. So see this, I am using a long nose and just keep on twisting it. So if you rip it off, it's not the end of the world. Then try to pull it. Just keep on twisting and pull it. There you go. See that? Look at that. So again, the design is not that good, but if you do this, you can get it. So insert, oh boy, hold on. So insert a long nose pliers, and you can get this one. So again, we just rip off the rubber, but that's fine. Again, it's not the end of the world. So this is how it looked like. That, so see that? As if nothing happened. Now same thing with those two long nose pliers. Insert this. There's some room. Just twist it. Pull it. And if not, go on the other side. There you go. Alright, got it. See that? Long nose. Pull on the one side, then twist it, then go on the other side, twist it, go on the other side until you can pull it out. Clean it up. Put this one. There you go. So there's no much different in here. It's just this, there's a lip in here. This one is already ripped off, but again, it's not the end of the world. Okay, last one. This might need probably this away. So having a space. Okay. Did I block your view? Oh, anyway, you know what am I doing in here? Just inserting this long nose pliers. And twist. Go on the other side. Go. See it? Pull it. There you go. That's done. Again, just insert this in here, twist it, go on the other side, twist it, then pull it. There you go. Now we can put this on. Now we can remove spark plug. It is super easy. So in removing this spark plug, I'm using this 916 spark plug remover tools. Let me zoom in. There you go. Hope you could see it. So let's remove it. So again, this is 916 remover tools. There you go. Didn't more. There you go. The spark plug. One spark plug. Then so. Alright, let's get the second one. See it? It's right there. It's right there. Move the second one. Voila. Second one. There you go. And the third one is over here. Hold on. It's not good. Let me figure it out. Let's move this a little bit. What? Let's just remove this hose. Show you. Just remove this hose. Alright, there you go. That's nice. And we can insert it. Let me put it over there. Okay. Ooh. Alright, so on the third one, there's a little problem because of this fuel line. Because I'm using these special tools, so as you can see, it's not straight. It hits this. It hits this fuel line, but there's not a problem at all. We can use this number 14 socket, long 14 socket, and then extension, flexible extension. Then we can just insert it like this. There you go. No problem. Now we can remove the last spark plug. So again, we're using number 14, and then hold on. Is it really number 14? Oh yeah, it's number 14. Look at that. Oh, this is not long enough. Hold on. Alright, so I'm using number 14 but longer. There you go. It, alright. Move it. There you go. Of course, it's not gonna go with that thing because it has no rubber. Can remove, can use this magnetic. There you go. Nice one. Alright. So let's just put the new one. I'm not gonna show you anymore of how to put on the new spark plug, because basically it's the reverse order. I'm just gonna show you when everything is put back. So again, so there's some points you have to remove this using number 5 Allen socket, and then also when removing this ignition coil, if you encounter that this will separate, you can use long nose pliers, and then this third spark plug you can use this thing, number 14 socket with this flexible extension because of this fuel line. Alright, I guess that's it. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Alright guys, so everything is back now. So by the way, I didn't show you the other side because it's same process. So just remove this throttle body, so you will have a room to get the third spark plug underneath this throttle body. So same process. Alright, 2010 Infiniti G37 spark plug removal and replacement.